Chinese electronics giant Xiaomi may be best known for smartphones such as the innovative U, but it also makes a wide variety of other products, from televisions to drones. Sadly, the majority aren't sold outside Asia, and many aren't compatible with U.S. networks or systems. One Xiaomi product you can easily buy without such concerns is the XA0 Xiaomi Mi Band 2. It's a fitness tracker with a XA0 heart rate sensor and a super bright OLED XA0 screen, and a sequel to the simple, yet cheap original. Extra features. XA0 usually means an increase in price, but that's not Xiaomi style at all. There's no shortage of fitness trackers. And although the Mi Band 2 is very affordable, has the wonderful simplicity of the original been lost, and does it still represent the value it once did? The Mi Band 2 looks very similar to the original Mi Band. There is a central core module that pops into a slim silicone strap, allowing you to swap it out for straps in different colors. Once the core is in place, it's not going anywhere at all, and is more securely fastened in than the original Mi Band had been. Its core would sometimes pop out unexpectedly. Although soft, the silicone isn't floppy and is secured with a pop stud and small loop. The strap is also super secure, with almost zero chance of it coming loose or falling off. The Mi Band 2 is easy to put on with one hand, and it's considerably more compact than most modern Fitbit trackers, such as the. Because of this, it's suitable for all wrist sizes, and doesn't look out of place on the thin-wristed. Once the Mi Band 2 is on, it's quickly forgotten. It's designed to be worn 24 hours a day to track